In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand and use a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll explain what a balance sheet is and show you how to use it inside QuickBooks Online, step by step. First, let's get clear on what a balance sheet shows. It's a snapshot of your business at a specific point in time, listing what you own, what you owe, and what's left for the owner. Assets are everything the company owns and controls: cash in the bank, inventory on the shelves, and equipment you use to operate. Liabilities are obligations you need to pay, like loans and accounts payable. Equity represents the owner's interest in the business, including contributed capital and retained earnings. These three parts always connect through a single equation: assets equal liabilities plus equity. If something goes up on one side, there's a matching change on the other. This balance is what keeps your books in check. Now, let's use the balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and log in through your browser. On the left side menu, click Reports. In the search bar, type Balance Sheet and then select it from the results. At the top, set your report period using the drop-down. You can pick options like last month or last fiscal year, or choose custom date to focus on a particular day. This date matters because the balance sheet reflects one point in time. When you're ready, click Run Report. Take a few moments to review the layout. Assets appear first, organized by type, so you can see items like cash and inventory grouped together. Liabilities follow, showing what you owe to others. Equity appears at the bottom, summarizing the owner's interest. A quick quality check is to glance at the totals and confirm that assets match the sum of liabilities and equity. If you need to save or share the results, click Export and choose PDF for a clean, printable copy, or Excel if you want to analyze or combine it with other reports. You can also apply filters to focus on specific locations, classes, or sub-accounts, which is especially helpful if you track different branches, departments, or product lines. Use this report to monitor your financial health, track changes in assets over time, and prepare for taxes or loan applications. That's what a balance sheet is and how to use it inside QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.